Namaskar plant lovers, welcome to my channel Green Terrace. Today I am going to review some products that I have bought from Flipkart last month. Here you can see two boxes are lying around. These are round flower pots and those are rectangular pots. These are round flower pots and they are set of 12. All of them are 8" in depth. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave it. You can count. There are 12 pots. These are the rectangular planters. They are a pack of 6. Each of them are 14". There are different colors. You can see 3 different colors. I can teach you backward and forward counting. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Here comes the water cans. White, pink and of course sky blue. I have bought 3 different colors. I just love them. They're so cute. Yeah, you will see them in my videos now. I'm showing you all 3 of them, how they are. Look at the color, the shape. I don't know what I'm showing you, but I'm showing you something. Look at them. Yeah, I love the 3 colors. Okay, fine, they are going away now. So tata, bye, see ya, talk to you later. Let's talk about the quality and all. I'll share my feedback now. These pack of 6 have cost me rupees 3.99. I have bought them when there was discount going on. I'll give you all the product links in the description box. These rectangular planters are very colorful and sturdy. Quality is decent. You can use them for both your indoor and outdoor plants. There is no drainage hole, but you can make them by yourself. They are 14" pot. I was expecting a little bigger pot, but quality is pretty good. You can definitely buy them for your garden, and I am giving them a 5 star. This is a must buy, I can say, for both your indoor or outdoor garden. So just buy them, but remember to buy them whenever there is a discount going on. You will get them in a lot cheap price. These round planters are good for your indoor garden. They are not the same as it was shown in the picture when I ordered them. Size is pretty good though. It is not as sturdy as the rectangular one. There is no drainage hole in this one too. The quality could be better. I'll say you can buy them for your indoor plants. They are pretty good for that. Not sure if they can tolerate the summer heat. I'll use them in my terrace garden and I'll share with you whether these can tolerate summer heat in my terrace. So I'm going to give it 3 star for the size, and it's pretty good for indoor plant, I'm sure. This cute little water can is my favorite. I love all the three colors. All of them are same, so I am showing only one of them. They are very light in weight. Quality is very good. This one is 3 liter. Other two are 2 liter water cans. They are very useful, but while watering you have to be a little cautious as there is no lid. Water can spill off. But for rupees 247, I'll say total value for money. You can definitely buy them for your garden. I'm giving 5 star. Thank you for watching my video till end. If you guys like my videos, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description box. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and happy gardening.